Chief Ifeanyi Sylvester Ezanya Atunuke was born on the 1st of October to his father, Obiebenu Ezanya, and his mother, Josephine Ezanya Sophie, at Uke in Idemili North local government area of Anambra State. His father passed on when he was a child, so he grew up mostly with his mother. During his childhood, Ifeanyi was sent to Enugu to live with his aunt and attended St. Patrick's Secondary School, Emene, Enugu State. Ifeanyi Sophie, as he was popularly known, was very hardworking from childhood. One of the traits he learned while in Enugu in his late teenage years was carpentry. The Nigeria-Biafra Civil War broke out when Ifeanyi was about 17 years old, and identifying the need to help in providing for the family, Ifeanyi ventured into buying and selling, popularly known in those days as Afiatak. In the company of fellow Biafran youths in search of food, they trekked from Anambra to Nsukka, Enugu State to buy beans, bring it back to Anambra State to sell, bearing the sack of beans on their backs. A literal back-breaking work, but a stunt for survival. These ventures and several others undertaken during the war helped build Ifeanyi's tenacity and doggedness. By the time the war ended, Ifeanyi started trading in diesel before venturing into full-time trading on fabrics. He soon established himself as an importer of George fabric from India, a business he built with so much dedication that he grew from one shop at the Onitsha main market, George Line, to several shops. In 1976, Ifeanyi Sophie met his heartthrob, late Benedict Ugunwa Ezanya, Lady B ni Enechukwu.
Everything for you, me. I give my all to you, me.
2 years later, they got married and over the years had 8 lovely children.
I found you, me. Too proud to say I love you, me. Baby, more, all the promises that we shared, sugar more.
Together with Lady B, as he fondly called her, Ifeanyi expanded his businesses while raising his children. He traded in various items such as wines, leather shoes, jeans, and electronics.
I give my all to you, me. Everything for you, me. I give my all to you, me. Everything for you, me.
Not minding the misfortunes that dotted his business terrain at some point, a friend introduced Ifeanyi Sylvester to Agso Noble II, with whom he set up a distributorship. His warm personality and astute business acumen soon helped him grow the business to the extent that Seconds became a name he was widely known as. He won several awards from the company at Sassenheim, Netherlands, as his distributorship boosted their sales in Africa in major ways. Ever the explorer, adventurer, and risk-taker, Ezanya too developed his own brand of chemical products, and this was how Vestas Car Refinishes was born. Known for excellence and quality, His products soon penetrated the market and became sought after in most parts of Nigeria and West Africa. The business was not without its ups and downs, but Eze Anyatu kept faith to the end, leaving behind an undaunted business legacy. Through his business journey, Ifeanyi Eze Anyatu traveled the world, further educating himself on diverse cultures and traditions. This gave him a broad mindset that prepared the stage for the kind of father and man he became, giving his children wings to fly and not limiting their choices to what he wanted. At a time when sending male or female children to higher institutions wasn't popular in his circle, Ifeanyi ensured all his children had as much education as they desired, both at home and abroad. As a firm believer in providing opportunities for young people, Eze Anyatu trained many promising youths in school and in business, positively impacting lives beyond his immediate and extended families. Ifeanyi Sophie Eze Anyatu was hospitable, generous, and quick to help whenever a situation came to his attention. Part of his community involvement was the sponsorship of Sekins Football Club in Uke. He served not only as patron of the club, but also a father to the footballers, providing a platform for talent discovery, self-esteem, and actualization. Ifeanyi was also a significant sponsor of community development projects for women and children, providing much-needed support. He played a pivotal role in the construction of community roads in both Uke and Onitsha, where he resided. A lover of life and society, Chief Ifeanyi Eze Anyatu belonged to and functioned in several clubs in his lifetime. A natural leader, he was active in clubs including but not limited to People's Club International, Onitsha Sports Club, founding member, Unit Club, Committee of Friends of Trans Nkisi Housing Estate 33 and the 12 Apostles Group. Beyond human capital development and community welfare initiatives, Eze Anyatu Ifeanyi Sylvester loved to build and renovate. His late wife would jokingly refer to his never-ending tendency to upgrade his residences. He loved neat spaces and always ensured his homes are freshly painted, always adorning clean, tidy environment. Ifeanyi Sophie kept up with the latest trends in architecture and adapted his homes accordingly. His interiors were always furnished with excellent quality furniture pieces, bringing modernity, decency, and freshness into his homes and offices. Popularly called Ifeanyi Sophie by those who knew him growing up, a name linking him to his mother, Chief Ifeanyi Sylvester Eze Anyatu later adopted the nickname Lasso Bokassa, fondly used by friends and his late wife, Lady B. As he grew in influence in his community, he earned the name Chikwelugo. Upon receiving his chieftaincy, he became Ato I of Uke, where Ato refers to the stag, an animal symbolizing qualities he held dear. Ifeanyi Sophie Lasso Bokassa later merged this with his surname to be known as Eze Anyatu, a name he cherished until his passing. Chief Ifeanyi Eze Anyatu Lasso Bokassa was a fulfilled grandfather and always delighted in having his grandchildren around him. He lived a remarkable life of discipline, excellence, and hard work, a legacy he bequeathed to his children and all who closely associated with him. In his later days, Ifeanyi Sophie came to acknowledge the Lordship of Jesus Christ and devoted himself to prayer and worship. God indeed showed him mercy as he transitioned into a life of glory in his presence. Ifeanyi Sophie Lasso Bokassa was survived by cherished cousins, nieces, nephews, and numerous in-laws.